Hello viewers, for DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to use a 4-way tire valve tool. There's a couple different types of Schrader valve tools. This is one of them and is a combo tool consisting of 4 different tools in one. Here's a close-up and I will show you how to use each of the parts. If you do want to buy one, I'll include an affiliated Amazon link in the video description. If you end up buying one, I'll get a bit of a cutback without any added cost to you. First is removing the valve stem cap, which will expose the Schrader valve. Using the exterior thread chaser, this is used to clean up any damaged threads that is used for the cap. If you notice, there is notched out portions on the side to allow for any debris to escape while straightening the threads. Simply thread it on, then remove, and this can be done a few times if it's badly damaged. The exterior thread chaser also has an alternative purpose, replacing a valve stem, cutting off the old one. The new one has a water and soap mixture applied for easier installation. It's inserted into the hole of the wheel. The tool is then threaded on. The tool can be used as a T-handle to pull through the new valve stem, ensuring it's properly seated. Next is using the Schrader valve core removal tool. The center of the tool is hollowed out for the valve push rod, and it has notches to lock onto the valve core for removing and installation. Removing the valve core is required to completely deflate the tire when it's being unmounted or if you're replacing a valve. Lock it into place, then turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove. As a close-up, you can see the center portion fits inside the tool and then it locks onto the valve body. Installation of the valve core is in reverse of removal. Simply insert it into the hole, then insert the tool and tighten. The pointed tip is a reamer which is used to clean out the valve stem body. Sometimes excessive rubber from their construction or debris can plug up the hole, causing fill or deflation issues. Stick it into the hole and rotate. And finally is a thread chaser for the valve core threads inside the valve stem. Similar to the outside version, it's notched out on the sides to clean up any threads while allowing for any debris to escape. Thread it into the valve stem, then remove. This can be done a few times if needed. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.